Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have cat construction vehicles. These are metal machines. This comes with an excavator, a wheel loader, and a bulldozer. I can't wait to get them open. Wow, what do we have here? They look like mighty machines. Yay! I can't wait to see them open. Wow, those are some mighty machines. Let's get a closer look at each one. Look, it's a bulldozer. Look at the bulldozer's blade. That's a really nice blade. Bulldozers are my favorite. And here is the ripper. It's nice and strong and great for breaking through ground. Look at the tracks. The detail on this is really neat. The tracks help it move over rough ground and stay stable. There's the exhaust pipe. And there's the cab. It's just waiting for a mighty worker to come help it move along. Wow, this bulldozer is really strong. Do you know what this one is? It's a wheel loader. Wow, it looks pretty neat. Here is the bucket. And here are the hydraulic cylinders. Look at that strong boom. This one has wheels instead of tracks. And look at this cab. It's also waiting for a driver. This one is an articulated loader, which means it can move in the front and make good turns. This front loader is amazing. Do you know which one this one is? That's right, it's an excavator. Let's check out the bucket. It can scoop lots of things. Look at the arm. And the boom. Wow, that makes it really long. This one has tracks. Look at the cab. And it can turn all the way around. What a strong, mighty machine. Now that we've seen the mighty machines up close, I want to see what they can do. Let's check it out. Look, we brought in a huge amount of PlayDoh. Shh. 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 I love playing in PlayDoh. Well, I want to see what the mighty machines can do. Let's see them get to work. Here comes the excavator. Wow! Here he goes again. He did a great job. Let's see what the wheel loader can do. Wow, the wheel loader is nice and strong too. Finally, we have the bulldozer. Let's start with the ripper. Oh, he rips really good. Let's see what the bulldozer can do. Wow, he's so strong. He did a great job cleaning up, don't you think? Wow, these are some mighty machines. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.